Welcome back to another episode. Abdullah Kaplan here. It's me and a friend of mine, Emre. We are right here. We are trying to do some fishing. Got some sandflies, some shrimp, some cod mullet, and we are getting at it, guys. I mean, whatever bites, literally. I'm just gonna put 3 sandflies right here and cast them very close. And the other 2, I have 4 rods total. One of them really big one, which I'm going to be using for big fish. But I want a rod, a line in the water while I'm getting my other setups ready for fishing. So yeah, let's go ahead and cast this out there, guys. It's really rough. I don't know what to expect, honestly. That wind is kind of picking up too. Don't know what to expect, don't know what's gonna happen. But we've been trying to catch some fish for really a long, I don't know, for like 2 weeks. And we haven't caught anything whatsoever at all. So, well, fingers crossed, hopefully we'll catch something today, guys. Let me just put a sandfilly right here too, guys. So sandfilly here, sandfilly there. And put cod mullet on that big rod. And use some shrimp for our 3rd rod, which is a smaller rod. And we'll see what's gonna happen. I know this time of year pompanos are running generally. There will be lots of sea mullet around, but right now, honestly, the way I said, last a few weeks we've been trying to catch some fish and we've been not successful whatsoever at all. So fingers crossed, wish us good luck, and hopefully we'll catch something, guys. Let's get at it. Getting bites right here. Is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Yep, got him. Got something, Emre. Emre, I got something. What is that? Ooh, it's on top of water. What is that? Is that a pompano? Is that a pompano? Really nice head shakes. Really nice head shakes. This acts like a pompano. Holy cow, nice sea mullet. Hell yeah. Nice sea mullet. Holy cow, look at the size of that mullet. Emre, here. Nice sea mullet. Finally, first fish of today. Look at the size of it. Alright, dude. Alright. Holy cow. Easy, dude. Easy. Nice one. Come here. Really nice sea mullet, guys. After a long time, here's our first fish. Holy cow, what was that? Holy cow, what is that? No way! What is that? No way, that's a good fish. Holy cow! Thanks, Emre, for letting me know. What is that? Holy! He's still on. Emre, where's that mullet? Where did I leave that mullet at? Holy cow, alright. What is that? Head shakes. Constant head shakes. Constant head shakes. What is that? Come here, dude. It's a shark? Bluefish. Massive bluefish. Woo-wee! Fish after fish. Wow. Holy cow. Look at the size of that bluefish. This is the first bluefish of the year, guys. I'm gonna definitely keep him. I'm gonna keep him too. Whatever it is it on? Holy cow! Holy cow! Holy cow! Holy cow! What is that? No way! What is that? Is it on? Sandfilly again. Holy cow! What is that? I literally casted that rod out there, literally. That's something good, guys. Is that another massive sea mullet? Is that what it is? Emre, that's another really nice sea mullet. Woo-wee! Sea mullet. Good one. Nice. Alright, dude. Alright, he's coming home, guys. He's definitely coming home. That's another good one. Feisty, really feisty. Alright, there you go, guys. Second sea mullet. And a bluefish so far. Wow, alright. Bite is hot right now. Look at that. There it is. There it is, bite. There's a bite. Yep. It's on. It's on. It's on, right? Yeah. Got him. Yeah. He's on. He's definitely on. That's another sea mullet. Wow, that's digging. That's digging. That one is digging. That one is bigger one again. That's another big one. Come here, dude. He's tugging. Nice sea mullet, guys. Nice sea mullet. Third sea mullet. And that's a good one. Another nice sea mullet. Alright, third sea mullet for today, guys. That's pretty good. Let's throw him in there. Oh, Emre. Holy cow, holy cow. What is that? Holy cow, what is that? Holy cow, what is that? I heard the drag screaming. Wow. Holy cow, what is that? Might be a stingray. Acts like a stingray, guys. Yeah, acts like a stingray. I heard the... Emre! Here! Come that way. Is it over? I think it's over. Here. Emre, what are you... Holy cow, he's tugging. Look at he's pulling drag. Whatever that is, guys, that is something good. He's definitely pulling drag. Is it a shark? I think it's a stingray, but we'll see. Am I recording? Yeah. Just trying to make sure that I'm recording that. That acts like a stingray. Oh no, he's going towards my other lines. I think it's a stingray, Emre. I think it's a really big stingray. Oh no. What is it? I think it's a, yeah, it is a shark. It's a shark. It is a shark. Nice shark. That's a nice shark. Come here, dude. Is that a shark? Yeah. Yep, that's a shark. I heard the scream, like the drag screaming, guys. Oh no! Just snapped right there. Oh, that was the best case, I believe. Just snapped right there. I was forcing on him. Woo-wee! Such a great day. Sharks, bluefish, sea mullet. Amazing. I'm loving it so far on here. Something going on here too. Is it on? I think we got a fish on here, guys. I think we got a fish on. Yeah, got him. Wow, that's a big fish. Whatever that is, that's a good fish. Oh no, is that a stingray? Please do not be a stingray. Come on. Nice fish, guys. Nice fish. What's going on? Nice day. Seriously? What is that? Stingray? Oh yeah, of course it is. Of course it is. That's a skate. I never seen a skate eating scent fleas. That's so weird. Alright dude, let me let you go. Alright, don't be a bad boy. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. Okay, alright, okay. Fish? There you go. We're catching everything today, guys. Catching everything. No, go! Don't bury yourself to sand, dude. Come on. You're gonna die if you do that. I think we have a fish on here. But we just don't know it. Do we? Yep, I'm getting bites. There it is, guys. Yep, there's a fish. There's a fish. Holy cow, what is that? Heavy, really heavy. Something really heavy. What is that? Huh. That's a really heavy fish. Puffer fish. Puffer. There's another species. There's another species to add to the list. That's a little tiny puffer fish. Puffer. Come here, dude. There you go, guys. I'm gonna let him go. Tiny little puffer. If it was a little bigger, maybe I'll keep it. But it's actually pretty small. I'm gonna let him go. There's a fish here. There's a fish here. Might have a fish here. Swimming towards us. Come on. There's a fish here, right? There you go. Yep. Yep. I knew there was something here. It was swimming towards us. Is that a puffer fish? Is it a nice... Oh no, it's tugging. That's a nice sea mullet again, I guess. Yep, nice. Another nice sea mullet. There you go, Emery. Another nice sea mullet. Oh, there it is, there it is. There it is again. Come on. Take it. Just take it, dude. There it is, there it is. Got him. Yep, got him. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice one. Woo-wee. Tugging. He's tugging. Nice fish. Another sea mullet, I believe. A really nice sea mullet. Holy cow, he's fighting. Fighting really hard. Come here, dude. Oh yeah. That's a really nice sea mullet. Woo-wee! Look at the size of him. That's a nice one. Ah, God. Thanks. Nice. They're so fat. Look at him. Oh, good. 5-2. Goes in the bucket. That's another big and nice and juicy one. Oh, 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 oh. Is he on? I think he's on. He's still picking at it. There you go. Got him. Yep. Got him. Another sea mullet. Nice. Nice. Oh wow. It's tugging. Fighting. Fighting nice. Another good one. Fighting really good. Nice. Look at the size of them, Ray. That's another good one. Nice. Oh, wow. It's been a minute. It's only been a minute I casted that out there. Oh no, it came off. I think it came off, is it? Did it? Did it came off? Or is it there? I think it's there. No, it didn't come off. He's there. He's a small one though. Is it? Yeah. Ooh-wee. Thought he came off, but he didn't. Nice. We are catching him, folks. We are catching him. Ow.